In 2021, it's not uncommon to look around your house and find technology and items that you once held in high regard and as useful, now collecting dust and longing maybe for the bottom of the bin. However, we're going to show you in this video how to turn your old, useless tech, all of that abandoned tech, into useful money. We're going to explain to you how we can turn your useless tech into useful cash, money, so that you can buy some more tech, and then you can also sell that tech on as well. So the theme of the video today is tech and what you can do with your tech. So the first little bit of tech that we're going to look at today is this tiny little stick here. You can turn that one into cash as well. So if you want, you can also use a bigger stick, like this one's a slightly thicker stick, and that can be turned into cash as well. So don't worry about useless tech. So here we've got some disused, possibly faulty Xbox 360 hard drives. Now the capacity on these is mid-range, so we're probably not going to get a lot of money for them as they are. However, there is something that you can do with this particular tech, and that is to use them as a stack overflow, like that. And then of course that tech is then worth money, so you can sell that tech. We've got here a dual syringe, which when these came out, I mean they were top of the range, but these can now be used for administrating double the amount of your favorite sauce. So that can be classed as valuable tech as well. We've got this reflective light box. Now most of this reflective part is completely useless. You're not going to get any money for this, whether it be on Amazon or eBay or anything like that. However, the button is expensive. They don't make these buttons anymore, so you could sell the button. Just sell the unit as is. So that's some more valuable tech. So here we have a measurer. I'm just checking the circumference of the batteries, just to see if they can be sold on the second-hand market as an exchange of cash for tech. This measurer is not old tech, but I do enjoy it. Especially this part here. And the spring still works, so if you decide to use that, then you can give it some hammer. So that's what I use for measuring circumference. That was just an additional bit of information for those interested. If there is anything that you'd like me to cover more of in the future, then just write it down in the comments, and I'm sure I'll be able to pick up on that in the next video for you guys. So what I'm doing now is just arranging most of the tech just to make it more attractive to potential buyers. Really just kind of demonstrating how the tech can be used even though it's useless. Another strategy that you can use for making tech more valuable is to place it in a box. So a lot of us we throw away the packaging that our tech comes in, which means that when it comes to resale, 5, 6, 20 years down the line, then we often don't have anything to put them in. Well, what I recommend is to find an old bit of tech and then put the rest of your tech in there, and then that way you can sell it as a pre-packaged set. So let's have a look at how we could go about repackaging old useless tech. Really the main focus is just to see how much tech you can fit in there. And if you do find that the packaging has reached its limits, then you can start taking little bits out, rearranging it, and just making sure that it all fits in there nicely. And the aim of the game with this is to try and sell as much useless tech as you possibly can, and turn that useless tech into valuable, useful money, so you can go out and buy some more tech there. So you can go out and buy some money with your tech. So you can swap most of your tech upload most of your old tech onto the eBay or Amazon or Gumtree, and then when people buy that and the monies are deposited into your account, you can withdraw your money to go and buy some more money to fund the tech and the sale of money to stimulate economies and help people with recycling tech. So this is another product. I'm just probing it just to make sure all the different parts are articulated, and they all seem quite fine. So this particular thing here will fetch quite a high price in, say, the Russian markets or any of the former Soviet bloc. Really, they really particularly enjoy it's the extension qualities that the handle has. Most of it is composites, carbon fiber, and other tech that we've located. These can't actually be bought like this. They're usually bought full, and you have to unwind them to get them thinner and smaller like this one. This one's been unwound previously probably by somebody who needed to unwind it. And they've just left it as it is. So that's now useless. But with a little bit of imagination, a little bit of hard work, you could turn that bit of old tech into some new monies, and then buy some with it. So this device, this is just your average cat smiler. Most of the point of this one is the squeezy bit at the top. That.